Today, we're breaking down how a major expense for Indian families, sending a child to study in the US, can be transformed into a powerful global investment, so you can make smarter, data-driven decisions. Let's get started.
So let's just put the main question right out there. Can you actually turn the money you're already spending on your child's rent in the US into a wealth-building global asset? It's a pretty powerful idea, right? Well, we're about to explore exactly how it works.
To really understand the opportunity, you first have to look at the cost. For most Indian families, sending a child to the US means an annual expense of somewhere between 15 to 40 lakh rupees, just for housing and living. And traditionally, this is just a huge cost with zero financial return. It's simply money spent, gone forever.
But what if we completely change our perspective on that? That is the core idea here, a fundamental strategic shift. So instead of seeing it as just another recurring expense, we can start to view it as an opportunity to acquire an asset that actually grows in value.
In this slide lays out the two paths perfectly, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, where that rent money just disappears every month. But the path on the right, that represents a complete change in thinking. You're redirecting that same cash outflow into an investment that can generate income and appreciate over time.
Okay, so you might be wondering why the US specifically? Let's break down the advantages that make its real estate market such a powerful tool for building wealth, especially for an investor coming from India.
Well, the most immediate advantage is a big one. You earn returns in US dollars. This is absolutely crucial because it acts as a natural hedge against the rupee depreciating. It gives you stable cash flow in a really strong global currency, and just like that, you've diversified your portfolio outside of India.
And it's not just about the currency. You're also investing in a mature, transparent market. For any international investor, that just means peace of mind. You've got strong property rights, clear legal and tax systems, and access to professional management, all of which dramatically reduce the kind of uncertainty you might face in other markets. You know, there's also a really powerful practical advantage here. Beyond the financial returns, owning a property could mean you have a potential home for your child. This gives you way more control over their living standards and their safety. And the asset is still yours to use long after they've graduated.
Now, at this point, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but isn't it incredibly difficult to pull off? And historically, yeah, it was. But the whole landscape has changed dramatically. Let's compare the old way to the modern solution.
The traditional path was just full of massive hurdles. It required huge amounts of upfront capital, it forced you to navigate complex international legal and tax structures all on your own, and it demanded deep local expertise. For most people, these barriers were simply too high to climb. And this is where the modern solution really comes in. Platforms are now designed specifically to dismantle those old barriers. They allow for fractional ownership, which lowers the amount of capital you need to get in. They handle full compliance with Indian regulations like the RBI's Liberalized Remittance Scheme, or LRS, and FEMA, and they provide access to professionally sourced and managed properties. The crucial takeaway is that this whole strategy is now accessible to so many more investors than ever before. Of course, a strategy is only as good as its results. So let's look at the actual performance, the track record from some of these sponsor partners to see what kind of returns have actually been possible.
These numbers really do tell a compelling story. Just look at how across different properties in different timeframes, from a 32% growth at Winthrop Forest to an incredible 44% at Canterbury Apartments in just over 2 years, the performance is consistently strong. This isn't just speculative hope. It's a proven track record of real, institutional-grade growth.
So what's the most important thing to take away from all this? It's that investing in U.S. real estate during your child's education isn't just another entry in your portfolio. It truly is a strategic financial shift. It's about fundamentally changing your whole approach to a major expense and turning it into a cornerstone of your family's global wealth.
Ultimately, the question isn't just if you can afford your child's education abroad, but how you can leverage that entire journey to build a stronger financial future. If this kind of strategic shift resonates with you, then your next step is to explore the curated investment opportunities that are now making this all possible.
Today,